the brake lights were stuck on. Isn't it cool? No seats. We should have a 2.5 bias now. Why'd they put that? Was that because of the brake light issue back? Alright. Would stored CAN bus performance. Part 3. Dang, I got a module on eBay. But how much was that? That was stupid rack clip. Most likely good, because the whole damn on. Oh, and the mod. ECU part number. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are continuing on this Dodge truck. I had a little issue with the ABS, and it's not talking. And I think sometimes it's messing up the network, because I left it plugged in, and I told them, you know, put everything back together and we'll keep going, not even thinking about this ABS module issue. And then he called me back a couple weeks later, said that the dash died and the truck kept running. He was trying to bleed the coolant and whatnot. The truck hadn't run in, oh, close to a year, over that, I think. So, and I guess he shut the truck off. It wouldn't restart. It's making some noises now. You guys hear that? That was pretty cool. What was that all about? We're gonna see if we can duplicate, because I don't think it's happening right now. So let's see if we need another module, or we got a corrosion problem or something. I know it rained that week, and he was doing a water test because he had a leak in the back here. I don't want to make the video too boring, so I want to just see if there's a lot of water drips. So right now the key's off. Key's in ignition, but it's off. Network is asleep. I am going to disconnect my scanner. Turning the key on. That looks freaking fantastic there. It's not gonna do it now, man. So everything inside seems to be working. Radio, the dash is all lit up, so it's not. I'm gonna change that setting. But now and the ABS is this one right here. You guys see my hand? And so the ABS is this one right here. So that's C5 on the connector, on that little one, and it's the yellow, the light green, and the yellow. See, the only issue is it goes to this I-230 here. It's 23 and 32, and that's, I'll show you guys. It is. I have to, you see it? PCM is here. This is your I-230. Oops. That's the only concern I have. Sounds a little better, right? I guess he fixed an exhaust leak in it too. I thought it was a manifold, but I guess he put 2 bolts or too long or something. I just want to make sure I can duplicate this before I'll call the ABS module, you know what I mean. It runs like a bag of crap. But the gas, apparently, the gas in it could be about 2 years old, so I'm not sure if it's got a vacuum leak or we got old gas or what, you know. But she's a gem. I'll keep trying, and I'll turn the camera back on if I'll catch anything. Okay, so looks like we have two fuse powers here, constant power, and we have an ignition feed, and I believe 2 grounds right here, 16 and 47, and the can line. So I'll turn the key on, and then we're going out on the ABS module. Let's see if we can't do this one hand. Okay, squeeze, pull it up. Oh man, this thing is okay. There's our connector. So I'm thinking either or. It's gonna be the fat ones on the top there. It looks like ignition power here. A couple of grounds. I just got that diagram. Okay, so what we got? We got fuse on 1. Okay, so that's 1 right here. That's number 1. There goes 1. This is 1. That's a 16 right here. So that's 16. That's the ground. Right, so I'm not wrong. Okay, so that's our 1. 16. You guys see that? Lights up. Then we got 32. 31. These are fitting here quite nice, so I'm not stabbing. Oh, we're missing another ground. Oh, that's the other ground there, dumbass. 47. Alright, so now it makes sense. Alright. This is the other power here. Alright, now we got. Alright, so these are 2 powers and 2 grounds. Alright, yep. You guys see that? Alright, invert here. This ground is good too. Sorry, this is kind of messed up here, but this is what I have today. So then we got ignition on 8. It's the best I can do, man. Now I can't even see the pin I was looking for. I think we're missing a power feed here. Oh. Not stabbing it. Okay, you guys see that? You guys see that? Alright, so that's your ignition. Okay. Alright, so 12 and 13 is our can. Are you guys still here? Oh, that shut off. Alright, so yeah. Get that here. You got anything? Okay, that was fantastic, guys. So let me slow that down. I think it looks good. Why is it not? Oh, because that's down here. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this one here. I still have to see if we can do the module in it or it has to go to the dealer. I'm tempted to get a used one and see what happens. So, but that's it for today, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.